When you're planting a hedge for privacy or whatever, you don't really want to get this effect here. So notice it's all half dead through it and all the rest of it. Why? Well, a hedge is a bunch of plants that are trying to kill each other because they're planted far too close together and they're fighting for, well, light, nutrients in the soil, but particularly water. What they didn't do here was put an irrigation line along. I would always run one of those poly pipes along here with one irrigation head between each of the plants so they get plenty of water. That hasn't happened. The end result is this sort of performance, so it's worth noting. But while you're in there, have a look. That's about 1 metre from one plant to the next. Too close. Camellias like this, they grow quite tall. I would have gone no closer than 1.5 metres. The closer you come together, and some people put them like 30 centimetres, a foot apart, that's stupid beyond belief. 1.5 metres is better for plants like this. They will join. When they join, they'll stay healthy and stay green and lush. So, 2 things. 1, an irrigation line along with a little head for each plant, and 2, spread them out about 1.5 metres. This is a bit too close at 1 metre spacings. And lastly, don't plant a double row of hedge like this. So behind these Sasanqua camellias is a row of latent green conifers. They grow enormous, and of course they too are sucking all the nutrient out here. Better to have grown the Sasanqua camellia hedge a little bit taller and just have the 1 row of plants, but this is an absolute war. Everything here is trying to kill the other plant near it. It's not the way to do it. And in case you're wondering, with all the traffic here out the front, did they plant this to cut the noise down? I'll bet they did. And do you want the answer to the question? Does a double row of plants like this cut the noise down from traffic? No, it doesn't. You would need well over 10 metres thick of multiple plants all the way through, and even then the noise reduction is not very much. Whereas a brick wall or something like that does contribute significantly. But the best thing, forget all of that. Double glaze your windows at the front of the house, and that cuts the noise down enormously.